Unit4 Financials is one of the most flexible and powerful accounting systems in the world. But like all highly configurable applications, to keep up with organizational growth and technology or regulatory changes, companies need technical application experts to continually support their business. Who supports your system at the moment? Do they have the expert knowledge in all areas of your system? Do they have the time around their day-to-day work to keep on top of operational changes? What happens when they go on holiday? Or get promoted? Or even leave the business? Does anyone else in your organization have the knowledge to continue that ongoing support and development? If systems are not maintained, before long you can find yourself in a variety of difficult positions. You may find your system is performing inefficiently because it was designed and configured many years ago for a smaller business. Or perhaps you're running on an unsupported version, putting your business at risk of a technology failure. In all these cases, what we find is that finance teams often resort to developing laborious and unnecessary workarounds, where the users are hindered from operating efficiently and effectively. The result? A lot of wasted time and effort that could be better spent on more value-added activities. This is where Millennium Service Desk can help. Millennium Service Desk complements your Unit4 support and maintenance agreement by giving you access to a global team of highly experienced Unit4 Financials accounting and technical experts who can answer all of your how-to and configuration questions, and will also help you stay on top of the essential maintenance and development tasks. Using a state-of-the-art support management system, wherever you are in the world, Millennium's team of experts can be on the end of a phone, or email, or remotely dialed in a matter of minutes. Utilizing Millennium Service Desk can reduce risk and operational costs, and at the same time provide quicker issue response and resolution times. This provides your team with peace of mind in the knowledge that they are supported by an accredited Unit4 partner, so they can focus their time on the business. Why not try Millennium Service Desk? Contact your local rep for further information and a quote.